You can request your invoice for this year, 2021, 2022, directly online in Kate, and you can also pay by credit card directly online in Kate. In order to do this, you can find it in several different ways. One would be under certifications, just click on the appropriate year, or under your action items if you see it listed there. Either one is fine. This is your management screen. And as you know, for certification, you have to complete 2 requirements each year. One is to pay your renewal fee, and the other is to complete your 16 recertification credits. Right now, we're focusing on the fee. So if you will scroll across and click on request. Now, this is both for your invoice if you want that, or if you want to pay online by credit card in Kate. Either way, click on first request, then add to cart. Then it will show you your shopping cart. At this point, you want to click on proceed to checkout. And now you have the option to select your payment method. Click on the drop-down menu and you can pay either by credit card or you can request your invoice. I'll show you what credit card looks like first. Click on credit card. And then you will enter in your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. You will need to make sure that whatever billing information you add in is directly related to that card. Otherwise, it will not work. And then you will click on next. That's how to pay by credit card. And then you will receive a receipt from CTAS within 1 to 2 business days. To request your invoice, again, proceed to checkout. And from the drop-down payment method menu, click on invoice. This reference number box is for internal use. You can leave that blank. Click on next, and then place order. That shows you your confirmation screen. This means that in 1 to 2 business days, your invoice will be emailed to you. It will be emailed to whatever email address we have for you in the system. Of course, if you have any issues or you're concerned about anything, you can email us directly here from the main page at ctas.support@tennessee.edu. Thank you.